I don't want any noise.
What's your topic? That's introduction to the internet. One part is you have seen, you have learnt about the web browsers, websites, and web pages. What is www? Everything, right? And what is URL? Also, you have learnt, right? Now, in second part, like you will be learning what is a search engines. What is a search engine? What is the safety while browsing the internet? So, what are the rules you have to follow while using internet or while uh, uh, I mean, whenever you are browse the internet, right? Searching the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web consists of millions of web pages. Put your finger wherever I am reading, put your finger on that. Each page has a unique URL or address to mark its location on a web server. It is not possible to know or remember addresses for all the web pages or websites. In order to find an appropriate or relevant website, there are special websites called search engines. So, what is this? The World Wide Web, we know that it is used to find information about any web browser, right? So, each web site will have different addresses, right? So, there are n number of websites with unique address, right? So, it is not possible to. Yes, ma. So as there are n number of web browsers, so it is not possible to know each and every address of the all. I mean, each and every web browser, right? So we need to have some uh, special websites to know that to open the web browser. So they are called that websites are called search engines, where we can find address of any page number 5, any web browser, just with the simple keywords, right? Suppose you want to open like musical websites. So what you have to do, you have to just open Google search. Google search is a search engine, and you can type music.com or so online songs you can search. If you click on online songs, it will give a number of websites on that online songs, or Ghana.com is there, Raga is there, so many are there. So with a simple keyword in the search engine, it will give you a number of websites based on that particular keyword, whatever you are searching for. So they are called search engines. So a search engine is a special type of website available through the internet that searches for documents and files when you type in the keywords. The search engine then returns the result in the form of links containing those keywords. The link may point to some text, image, sound, map, or video. For example, I'll show you one thing. One second. I want to open. See, I have opened Google search now, right? So I want to search for some information about what should I see? Okay, same thing. Peacock, right? If I type peacock, if I type peacock, what it will display? It will display everything about peacock. Like, see, if you want images of a peacock, it will give you images. If you want any videos of the peacock, it will give. If you want anything to write about the peacocks, it will give. Like this, n number of websites will be opened. See here, underline, and the cursor change to what? Hand. So it is ready to click now. So when you click on that, it will give the information. Suppose this is a video of the peacock. Similarly, if I click on images, so all these are images of the, yeah, all these are the images of the peacock. So like this, you'll have text, image, sound, everything you can go for in a search engine, right, Nana? So the most popular search engine we are using it what? Yes, Nana. What is the most popular search engine we are using right now? That is, what did I open now? Google only, right? So the maximum we are using which search engine? That is Google. The most popular and well-known search engine is Google. So how can you search over the internet? Just now I told you, double click on any web browser. Like I have double clicked on Google, right? So I have searched. So what keyword I have pressed? Why? What keyword I have given in the search engine? Peacock, right? So like that, you can search for any website. This is about search engine. Now, what are the safety while browsing the internet? Means whenever you search something on the internet or whenever you are on the internet, whenever you are using internet in your computer, so you will go across lot of things, right, which you are not supposed to do. The first thing is many times we use the internet at school, home, or at a friend's place, wherever it is. So whenever you access the internet, take the permission of your teacher, parents, or elders. Since the web is an unfamiliar place and there are all kinds of information, good or bad, on the web, so it is always advisable to take. So if in school, if you want to use internet, right, so you have to take the permission of your teacher, or at home you have to take the permission of your parents, because there are internet means it is, I mean, complete universe ma, right? You can get any information on the internet, either it is useful to you or not, good information or bad information. So you are not supposed to go for such information which you are not supposed to go, right? So so each and every time when you go for the internet, when you want to use it, you just take the permission of your elders, right? Or in their like supervision, you can use it. You can use the internet, right? So always, here are some safety rules to follow. Always take permission before using the internet. As I told you, do not give your personal information over the internet. So if some websites, they will ask your personal information like your address, your parent phone numbers, everything. So that is not supposed to be, you are not supposed to share your personal information at any case, okay? And do not click on any links that suddenly flashes in the middle of your searches. You might have gone through like these messages, right? You have earned this much amount, please click on this if you want to, something like that, okay? So you should not click that type of links, okay? And when you see information, means, mm, when you come across some information which is uncomfortable, which you feel uncomfortable, what you have to do? You have to inform your parents at home or teacher at school, right? So these are some safety rules that you have to follow. The first thing is, whenever you are using internet, you should take the permission of your elders, right? And don't click on any link which suddenly comes into your search. Whenever you are doing something like based on your studies, something flashes, so don't click on that messages, click just cancel, okay? And don't share your, never share your personal information on the internet. Is it clear, everyone? Offline children, clear? Online, is it clear, everyone? Yes, ma? Yes, everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is a search engine? Basically, it is a website where we can get the, yes, yes. What is a search engine? With a simple keyword, we can get the information of anything over the internet. That is search engine. So as we don't, we can't remember all the addresses of the website. There are so many web browsers. For each and everything, we have a web browser. For song, we have one web browser. For videos, we have, for each and every information, from safety pin to the biggest thing, we have web address, web browser. So we can't remember all those addresses, right? So in that case, what you will do, you will just type the keyword. Suppose you want to search for something, that keyword, if you type in the Google search engine, it will give you information about that particular thing, whatever you want, right? So that they are search engines, right, Nana? Clear, everyone?